Hello everyone, in this video I'll be summarizing everything I did in the 10th week of the 0 to 1 cohort by Harkirat Singh. If you want these updates every week, you can subscribe and let's get right into it. In the first live class, we learned about SQL databases. We started off with learning about different types of databases. Then we discussed about the disadvantages or the reasons for not using NoSQL databases and the advantages of using SQL databases over them. Then we learned about how to get a Postgres database instance, and we learned about the library that will be used to interact with or query the PostgreSQL database, which was the PG library. Then we learned about some basic queries that we can perform on SQL databases, and then we moved on to more complex topics like transactions and joins using the PG library or SQL. In the next live class, we learned about ORMs, which stand for Object Relational Mapping. They basically let you write simpler code like this for SQL databases instead of long queries like this. The ORM we learned about was Prisma. We went over the installation process for Prisma and how to set it up for Postgres. We also learned about Prisma migrations, which are auto-generated clients for Postgres with Prisma. We did not have enough time for learning about relations and relationships in Prisma, so that is scheduled for an offline video. Moving on to the assignments for this week, I could not get the tests working for the simple Postgres assignment because there was something wrong with the assignment setup. Me and my TA tried a lot. We went back and forth for like 3 days, but could not. I just could not get this working. So I just did not care about the test. I knew the queries were right, and I could set up uh, a new Postgres project with TypeScript, and that would work. So I just did not care about the test not working and moved on to the Prisma assignment, which was a bit easier because obviously Prisma makes our job easier. It was the same assignment. We had to make kind of a to do app, an API for a to do app. Uh, we had to do the same thing for Prisma, but with Prisma obviously, which was easier. And I got the test working for this assignment within the first try. I mean, not working, but the test passed with the first try. And I also tweeted about it. It was so satisfying. Here's the tweet. So I'm also doing the 100 days of code challenge. It is not going so well right now because I haven't tweeted the 100 days of code tweet for like, I think I haven't tweeted it for like 6 days, which is kind of bad right now, but I'm trying to get back to it and tweet about it regularly. So do follow me on Twitter. So, this wraps up about everything I did in the 10th week of the 0 to 1 cohort. Comment about how your week went with the cohort and subscribe if you want to follow me on this journey of becoming a better dev every week. Signing out.